Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 3 best compact cordless mini chainsaws you can grab on Amazon for quick yard jobs, pruning and light cutting. I'll give you the product name, the key specs you need to know, a current price snapshot and the quick pros and cons, all in tight voiceover-ready paragraphs so you can record straight away. Let's get into it. 1. Seesii Mini Chainsaw. Seesii's 6-inch mini chainsaw is built for one-handed portability and fast small log work. Lightweight at $40, $60*** band depending on seller and deals. Pros: extremely portable, beginner-friendly, lots of kit in the box so you can use it right away. Cons: small bar, meant for branches and light jobs only. Build quality and longevity will be lower than full-size chainsaws, so don't push it into heavy timber work. 2. Seesii Mini Chainsaw. Seesii's 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw line focuses on a higher efficiency motor, pure copper windings in newer models, safety interlocks and rechargeable lithium batteries for extended runtime. Many listings include 1 to 2 batteries and spare chains and list product dimensions around 13-inch total length with a 6 cutting face. Retail pricing across Seesii listings commonly lands in the $30 to $60 range. Frequent prime deals lower the price. Pros: very good value for pruning, generous accessory bundles, extra chains, batteries and widely available replacement parts. Cons: again, limited to light-duty yard work. Battery runtime varies by kit and some listings show different battery capacities, so check the exact bundle before you buy. 3. Seesii SK1806M01. Seesii's upgraded 6-inch model that emphasizes a 2025 motor upgrade for lower internal friction, claimed higher cutting efficiency and longer life, plus safety baffles and soft grip ergonomics for easier control. Weight 2.5 lb. Product pages and seller listings for this model show it as a popular, frequently discounted item. You'll often see prices around $30 to $60 depending on color kit and current promotions. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle, good for users who don't want a heavy saw. Bundled batteries, chains in many SK1806 packages and strong value on sale. Cons: quality control and fit and finish can vary across batches and sellers. The small chain size means faster wear if used on thicker hardwood and replacement chains maintenance are expected.